So, I heard that leading teams remotely is nonsense. Mission impossible, this never works. So, is it true or is it just another rumor? So, I'm Jan, and I'm gonna tell you my story of a Czech guy who wanted to break the wall. So, let's start the story from the beginning. So, once upon a time, Jan was simply in the right place at the right time and learned about a new company based in the UK coming to Czechia. So far so good, but all of a sudden, Jan was exposed to new, unknown challenges he had never met before. Let's imagine this challenge as a three-headed spooky dragon. And these heads are basically, I will wait. Cool. Remote setting, language, and the third head of our spooky dragon is different negotiation style. So let's start fighting with our first head, remote setting. I'm a guy who is used to build a relationship with people naturally, in person, over coffee breaks, lunch breaks, outside of work. I believe that when you know more about people you work with, it helps you to understand what's going on, especially when things go south. And I need to know more than just he or she is a good engineer, knows Kubernetes well. So at the beginning, I set myself an objective. Jan, you need to go to London, to the UK frequently. But how much frequently? What I found is that I go there every month for a week. This week is pretty intense because I want to make use of every single second to spend with my team. The reason is that we benefit all from this intense week for the rest of the month until I'm over again. And at the same time, it's a good balance between work and my family. The second head of our really spooky dragon is language. Truth to be told, I've been in IT industry for decades, but until recently, my English was pretty limited. Mostly reading technical text and message someone from time to time. But imagine when you've got a team and there's no one who understands a word in Czech, that's a completely different situation. And in my case, my vocabulary was limited, so to discuss usual topics like how's things, life, maybe politics, is definitely hard. What I learned is actually pretty simple and obvious, but don't be shy, speak, 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 and speak. Don't worry much about grammar, because it will come kind of naturally later on. The point I'm trying to make is that language is a fundamental skill, and it's not definitely for free. But good news is it's a skill, and everyone can practice it easily. And then finally, third head of our kind of lazy dragon is a different negotiation style. This is a little bit difficult to get across, so I will tell you another quick story. I was asked to lead and organize a meeting to discuss a hosting solution for our infrastructure workload. No experience, no warnings, so I decided to take the same approach I would have used in any other Czech companies. It means go straight to the meeting with a little preparation, discuss everything openly there, and try to reach an agreement in that same meeting. What a huge mistake, and obviously no progress was made. So I asked myself, what I did wrong? What's the issue? So I started paying attention how others negotiate, what others do behind the scene. Do you know what I have found? What I should have done differently? The key to success is actually when you run an important, difficult meeting, you want to meet with everyone to discuss and agree on the topic beforehand. That way, when you go to the meeting, everyone is up to speed, understands the topic pretty well, and most importantly, knows what's his role in that topic. From the meeting perspective, it may look like it's an easy job, but there is a lot of effort that happens behind the scene. So another point I'm trying to make is just don't blindly use the same approach everywhere, because it's likely it won't work. And that was the third head of our dragon, but the good news is Jan's journey doesn't end here, and it still goes on. Thank you.